don't know me, my name is Catherine Bernardo and I am a Filipina actress. Wow, what an honor to be recognized tonight with these beautiful and talented people. Thank you so much for this fabulous award. This is my first time attending this. Nakaka-proud na bilang Pilipino, tayo yung nag-host na ganito. Diba? Also, I want to take this opportunity to thank everybody for supporting Filipino-made TV series and as well as in movies. Matapos na yung taon, but I feel so blessed and I'm sharing this award with all of you. Maraming salamat ang mga